Oruguto orw'abatura barukwetombyitara okukyerano rwa Bwizubwera rukaraba Nyakambu okuzansika kandi rwino buringwa obwa kilometers 6. Abebembezi bagira ngo umukuru w'ihanga akaraganisa okukora oruguto oru omu mwaka ogwa 1989 kwonka no kwisiyo bwa hati tiine kirakozerweho.
Actually kumwe n'umwijuka Purezidenti bwabari Butare 1 January yagaraka kajya dore urubuto rwa Buhweju actually wakatire financial year 2012
antu nibatugambira itwe nk'abebembezi ngo ebishuba byitu bya bingi nka NRM tuguma turaganisa ebishuba buri tamu turaganisa ebishuba ngumbwene mu murundo ebishuba tibikwija gukora abantu nibahura betamirwe guma nitubabiha
akwati numucemanyaje shitwina munongo mu rubuto shitugigahize WhatsApp hata batireho mucakomanchi babatiro mu ruhushyo mwene engineer Patrick ne kutuyamba tutakomarwa
ucyo ni hora bajya umuntu bakubanza Bwizubwera Nyakambu kagwe abatarashabira ruguto yes rero baherera kimwe aho President yagambira kunkangurira kwijo wanyu
nsima President Museveni abo kugira ngo ebiyaturaganise byombyorokerera umuhanda wo kwishikira.
Abebembezi bagambere ebi obabire nibabwanaho abakuru okurwa mu kitongole cya Uganda National Roads Authority UNRA omukurambura oruguto orwanya kabirizi okuzanya kashaka rukatuhukira nsika.
We have lost a lot of staff because of these roads. You can't bring somebody who was schooled from Tare, we schooled from Weranyanji, schools from Tare, goes to Makerere University, picks his masters from Copenhagen, and you bring him here. He will never come here.
Abeshitongole echa UNRA bahamize abanyabuhweju ngo oruguto rwabo niruza kukorwaho.
Buhweju Road is still a priority of government. That has not changed. It is a priority. From the time the President pledged it, it became a priority. And it is good that the honorable members of Parliament have indicated that it has been indicated in the different ministerial policy statements as an unfunded priority. How does the road become an unfunded priority? UNRA says this is a priority road that we need to do based on either the pledges that have been made, and we need resources. And when resources are not given to UNRA, it is indicated as unfunded.
In the coming month, that is May, we expect to start survey, that is ground survey. And what I would request is for your cooperation with the team members, the people who are on the ground. And we expect within the next 8 months, that before the end of the year, we should complete the assignment.
Omu districti eya Buhweju yona tarmu oruguto rwona orutirwe chorus. Amakuru aga gashakwa Juliet Charles Sima.